Today, this is my first ever YouTube video. I do some appliance repairs. Today, we're going to be replacing the door lock on this KNMORE washer. The person I got this from had snatched up on the top of the lid and broke this piece, as well as when he snatched up on this, he broke this piece down in here too, which is what I got here. I just got this door switch used off of eBay. This door switch right here is actually the one that goes into this washing machine right here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to repair this, well, not repair, but put this door switch into this washing machine right here. This is the KNMORE, but this is the newer style KNMORE. Got like kind of like a GE basket, because it's actually got like 4 basket things that it hangs on. Like a GE is not a direct drive. Usually KNMORE, the older style white faces, are direct drive, but this is actually not direct drive. I believe this is actually belt driven. This is the newer style top loader, but it's not a front loader. When I say newer style, it's what I consider digital because it has a circuit board behind here. So we're about to put this door switch in here and test out the washing machine. See if that was the problem. Again, this is Preston from Preston's Appliance down here in Columbia, South Carolina. This is my first video. As you can see, I do a lot of appliance repairs. GE washer, GE stove. Actually nothing wrong with this stove right here, but we will get to this door switch. Start out with, you're gonna have to take out this screw, this screw, this screw, this screw, and as well as this screw right here. So that's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. Let me go get my 1/4 inch driver. As you can see, I was working on this dryer yesterday. Somebody had messed up the motor. I'm trying to put it back together. That's my dog Snowbo. Hey Snowbo! Say hello to the camera. But 1/4 inch driver, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 inch bit is essential to working on most washers. If you're going to be working on this, you need to get that, because pliers is too annoying. So that's 3 screws. Take this panel off. It's kind of hinged right here. Kind of hinged right. Take it off. I always put something like that, and then I put my screws on top of it so I don't lose the screws. You can take this out right here. Well, actually, you could actually probably hinge the door up, but I'm not going to do that. Do it either way. And a matter of fact, I'm going to have to take this other piece off too. I forgot about that. I'm going to have to take out 3 more screws. Take that out. There's this up in there. Then you gotta take out these 3 screws above them. 1, 2, 3. You can actually do this with a drill. Drill might work better, quicker, but I usually do it by hand. Stripping these screws off and breaking these screws off. Now watch this panel, because this panel right here is going to come off. So there you see, he took these off, this one off, this one off, this off, and this panel right here is gonna come off. You can see the back. This is what I mean when I say digital, because that's actually digital. It's not your regular style timer. But the door switch actually gonna come through here and plug into the back in here. Close this top. Now pull frontwards. And you see right here, I pull frontwards on this right here. And you push backwards. So it's kind of like forward, up, and then backwards. So this is where the door switch is going to go to. Come out here. It's actually going to go to here.